Hi guys, it's Vikram here and welcome back to another video on my channel. And in this video we're gonna create the intro that you have seen in the preview. So do watch the video till the end. Now let's get started. Starting off, open the kinemaster app. Create a new project in a 16:9 ratio. And now create a black color background. Extend its duration to 7 seconds. After you've done that, here's a bonus trick. You can use the grid frame overlay for a better alphabet placements. You can get it from the asset store in case if you have the kinemaster mod. Now let's import the individual alphabets. I have provided the link in the description box where you can find this packs. It contains A to Z alphabets. In my case, I am gonna use Danny as a intro name for the illustration purpose and change its blending mode to screen and just reposition the alphabet. So just gonna fast forward this video as you have to do this for each and every alphabets you have to import. Now after you all done that, delete the grid frame layer. Now our video is ready to export. Export it in the 1080p 60 fps or 30 fps format based on your wish. After exporting this done, now come back and delete all the layers which we have imported. And now click on the layer, media and background. Now change the background color to dark blue. It must be very dark like this, and make it as full screen and extend its duration to 7 seconds. Now import these two elements and make it as full screen. Now reduce the opacity of the solid color layer, which is blue color layer, around 65 or 55. So I'll keep it 54 in this tutorial. Now change the in animation to fade and out animation to fade for both the layers. Now let's import the particles element. Make it as full screen and change its blending mode to screen. Now delete the extra part. Now change its in animation to fade and out animation to fade. We are gonna basically make in animations and out animations just fade in this tutorial for all the layers. Now import the layer which we have exported recently and change its blending mode to screen. And change its in animation to fade in, fade out. After you all done that, now go to the 1 second mark of the timeline and just tap on the timeline bar which shows the seconds which we are in, which will make a marker. Now go to 2 seconds and make another marker. Now select the layer and click the animation icon in the left side and make a keyframe. Now go to the 1 second mark and just tilt the layer to its left side and increase its size, which will make a smooth animation for our intro like this. Now go to 3.50 seconds in the timeline and make a keyframe. Then move to 4 seconds in the timeline. Just gradually reduce the size of the intro. Now let's see the preview. As you can see, this looks beautiful. Now come to the 1 second mark and add the audio for the intro. You will find a link for each and every single element that I have used in this video in the description box. Now after I have done this all, delete the extra part of the audio and just simply export it. That's it for the video, guys. Thanks for watching, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, then please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for future videos. This is Vikram. Peace out.